to each and every one of us. I would like to happily welcome our beloved school directress, Mrs. Virginia C. Lopez. To our passionate teachers, to the staff, our dear parents and guardians, friends and my fellow graduates. It is my honor to represent the graduates and welcoming you all to the first graduation ceremony of Early Readers Montessori School by One Branch Incorporated of the Grade 6 Class 2022 to 2023. Each story here at Early Readers Montessori School is as unique as the person it belongs to, because ERMS take the time to educate the whole person and to cultivate the individual light that each pupil holds. ERMS taught me some of the most valuable lessons that extend beyond the classroom, lessons of how to be a leader, a doer, and how to serve teachers and classmates with humility and love. Though ERMS has a place in our individual stories, we are writing the continuous story of our beloved grade school. Today, together with my batchmates, celebrate our success. After all these years of hardship, struggle, and perseverance, we reminisce the challenges that stood before us, and we savor the victories that came upon our hands. Today features another milestone in the lives of graduating pupils like us. It is a day to celebrate, and it is a day to mourn. A celebration because after 6 long years of acquiring our basic education, we are now ready to move forward one step higher in the ladder for quest to greater level of educational heights. Today is a mournful day because we are leaving the portals of our dear alma mater, which crowded us when we were still little young boys and girls, wanting to be involved in the daily school activities. So, class of 2023, I want us to take a couple of seconds to look around. Look at where we are right now. Now, think about where we came from. I truly believe that each and every person in this room has worked so hard to get to where we are right now. We accomplished so many feats at such a young age. And trust me, this is just the beginning. I have seen each and every one of you grow since the beginning as I stepped foot on the school. I've definitely grown myself as well. We are all a couple of inches taller, we have our different haircuts, and our style has changed a little bit more. But we have truly exceeded everyone's expectations and grown into amazing young students. I would like to personally thank you all for all the fun, crazy, and amazing memories we made together over the 6 years of us being here at ERMS. I would like to leave us all with one last message that hopefully we could keep with us. As we move on to the next stages of our lives, this is from Confucius, and it says, "Wherever you go, go with all your heart." You might be asking yourself, what does that even mean? It simply means that you should do everything wholeheartedly. When you try to do something with all your heart, you're sure to achieve that in the long run. So, I encourage all to keep going, no matter how tough circumstances may come in our way. True success takes time, energy, and effort. And if we stay steadfast and persistent, there is no stopping us to achieve our most sought million dreams. Congratulations to the class of 2023, the pioneering class of Early Readers Montessori School history. I look forward to seeing you all shine bright in the future. We made it! Thank you very much everyone for attending this momentous event. I'm Arielle Joseph. Good afternoon and welcome to all of us.